Protest was held in Bengaluru condemning Union Education Minister Pralhad Joshi and BJP MP Anurag Thakur over their remarks and statements which the protesters described as anti-women. During the protest, the demonstrators also demanded the immediate arrest of BJP MLAs C.T. Ravi, MLAs Yashpal Suvarna and Bharath Shetty. The protesters claimed that Union Education Minister Pralhad Joshi had defended the accused in the Bilkis Banu case, while BJP MP Anurag Thakur had made a remark asking Priyanka Gandhi to visit RSS office and to drink curve urine. They condemned both leaders, accusing them of promoting an anti-women mindset. The protesters further stated that when questioned by Priyanka Gandhi in Parliament, Pralhad Joshi denied making such a statement and said he would file a defamation case against her. They expressed strong opposition to his response. They accused Pralhad Joshi of insulting women through his statements and demanded that he should apologize to the people of the country and resign from the post of Union Education Minister. They further claimed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was supporting such leaders, stating that this reflected an anti-women approach. The protesters also stated that BJP leaders in Karnataka were making provocative statements that could disturb law and order and create communal tensions. They demanded immediate legal action and the arrest of those responsible. They accused BJP MLAs Yashpal Suvarna, Bharath Shetty and MLC C.T. Ravi of violating the law and insulting the police department. They urged the police to take immediate action, arrest the three leaders and ensure that they are punished according to the law. The protest was attended by KPCC General Secretary S. Manohar and Congress leaders A. Anand, G. Prakash Aditya, Umesh and Chandrasekhar. Women Congress leaders Shambhavi and Suchata along with other Congress leaders and office bearers also participated in the demonstration. So viewers, now the question remains, will any action be taken against the BJP leaders or will the controversy continue? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.